PHED staff run away. These people where they talk about it, they work with electricity company of Nigeria, and if therefore Bayelsa, my people, to be specific, you know what they say, the people don't tire for this place. If you not see riot when they go cause for that their office, they go block the whole place. They say nobody they enter, nobody they come out, and before they could even say they don't lock the whole place, everybody for the organization, a big company, they don't run away. These people come with banner, they come with flag, they ready for war. They say they don't tire. My people, they pay for light. They know they see light. So I beg, I don't bring a corner side though. For now, way they experience this same matter, and additionally I go relate. So I beg, join me, make we watch our youths.
As in office, NEPA office, how I see the call lock them. They don't lock the gate. Say now, they don't lock the gate. They don't agree to give us light. But they collect NEPA BN now. Boys don't vex, see flag. They don't lock everywhere now. Okay, they say how I see the lock everywhere. Everybody now, NEPA officials don't take off. See the flag. See the flag. Life in Bayelsa State. Then they go. See. That's as an office, they don't lock. But how I see they don't lock NEPA office, NEPA don't take off, they don't give people light.
Yay! This one I don't tie Iro and Buba. Serious one. Just imagine. I join these people to tire because in fact the thing I don't buy this matter. I don't overcarry a person. It is time. It is high time, my people. Which kind of sufferness be this one? NEPA bill now. I don't know about other places, but some places for Lagos, NEPA bill, my people. It don't pass house rent. It don't pass house rent. NEPA, just electricity bill. It don't pass house rent. So people house rent, now they drag with electricity bill. Just imagine the kind of madness. No difference. And when they expensive people go sit down, they quiet, they did this one, may they not talk, may they life situation for this country it has become unbearable. Nothing to write home about. Just imagine the kind. No, because my people, may we even shift out from this light matter. Ordinary products or something else. Imagine say you buy something you know for user. No, just put yourself in that shoe. Person they pay light bill. You they pay light bill every month. They will come knock for your door. Madam, your light bill is this. You too, you go come home money giver. And yet, every day you they buy fuel for generator. No be madness be that. No be madness be that. Which kind of, know, some people, they will never see life for 1 month. And they talk to one of my friends, hi! When I not say me, I know 2 days stay for one place. Money is not a problem. Me, as I they talk to Nana, I know even the Africa. Are they serious? No be joke. And they talk to one of my friends from Nigeria, he say, Madam Aproko, right now, I don't know what it mean now for me, my Bob come on. He say they miss that experience. Laugh won't kill me. How you go there? No, my people, 1 month. This one no be 1 day. Like some of us still they enjoy 2 weeks. 1 full month. Person no. If now you no go vex. No, seriously, you no go vex if now you. Hey, I will say I be part of these people. If you can't knock my door for light bill, the kind hot water where I go use greet you first. Which kind thing be that one? See, you don't know how people they suffer to see already to make money for this country. It's already very difficult. Then imagine you can't manage hustle. You manage also your hustle. You get your small change for pocket. Person come bring this thing you pay. Then you know they enjoy the services of the thing where you pay for. If you not say they work for anything we get to do with electricity, you they work for there. Una be the most wicked. In fact, una even join government self. I don't even know which one even worse. I be all una even they work together self. I don't know. Wicked people, you they but them go check them, they get light. All these people where they work for electricity, they always get light. Even if they don't get light self, they don't already provide money for them so that they go use generator. Nothing say una smart, una go come dey punish people. Meanwhile, una self, una go dey enjoy. They go even increase una salary for not giving people light. Thunder go soon fire devil. Make una continue this thing. I beg, all my people, all of una wey dey there, they protest. Are they solidly behind you? Enough is enough. Waiting, no light every time, no light every but now they give other countries light. I beg, make a hair. I just remember safe. Maybe now because Nigeria they give other people light. Now why we know they get light? So I don't come to my own conclusion because if that is the problem, I beg make una stop. Stop giving people what you don't have. I never seen them before. Nigeria, what? When we say I want go always they different. You no get light, but you they give person light. I never see. Una no go primary school. When they go to tell you say, hey, you have 2 oranges. If you give out 2, what will you have left? 0. You no go get. So how come Nigeria they give? How many countries say if I know the mistake, they be like 3 countries. Nigeria they give them light. Now always like they show on safe. So that people go to say, they are good people. They have this one. They have. No. So now even they put on safe inside shame. Because this one, it will go everywhere. My people, I beg, make una help me share this video because Nigeria government right now, it's time for them to be disgraced. Since they have brought sufferness upon our head, Ungwanu, we know they hide anything now. I beg, share this video, make everybody know, say, they give light, but they suffer their own citizens. Very, very important. Yet, now go they hide for a white man country. They enjoy light 247 and every other thing. But now people, hi, thunder. No worry, I get thunder number, I go soon call her. You know where to go. Once I call her like this, you know the people where you go meet. They're gonna continue. My people are beg. Start they drop the comment. Maybe they start they roll for that comment section. As usual, I go reply now one by one. Make sure say you share this video one more time. It's very, very important. And if you never subscribe, wait till the way for just click on that notification bell too, so that you not go miss any interesting matter where we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.